Ever so often, it happens in the course of taking yoga classes that people ask that can you suggest to us that one asana we can do when we are in a hurry, which will take care of most parameters of our body and also counter the ill effects of using the devices. So here you go. Today it is all about that one asana to start your day with and remain fit. So this one asana is good enough to take care of your spine, your digestive system, your glandular system, and your thyroid glands. To start with sitting like this, then you come up on your knees, part your knees just below the shoulder, place your elbows against your knees, and then take 2 palm measurements, and then come up. Hands and knees will be in a straight line. Relax your whole body. Take a deep inhale. And as you inhale, dip your back, raise your head. Exhale, arch your back, widen your head. This is one round. Second round, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is 3 rounds. You can do at least 5 rounds. That can be really good. So it's a good asana to start the day when you don't have the time. Please do also read in the articles. Just a small hint I've given that you can start your day with when you're just about opening your eyes and lying on the bed. Okay? So, have a nice day.